The kidneys are located on either side of the spinal column in the posterior abdominal wall. Adrenal glands sit on the top of the kidney. The medullary pyramids and outer cortex compose the renal lobe. Branches of the renal artery supply each renal lobe. The smallest branches of the renal artery, called afferent arterioles, supply the excretory components of the kidney, called nephrons. Each nephron consists of a renal corpuscle and a renal tubule. The first step of the urine production, called glomerular filtration, occurs in the renal corpuscles. It consists of a network of capillaries called glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. The diameter of the afferent arterioles is larger than the afferent arterioles. This size differences produces high pressure within the glomerulus. The pressure forces the smallest substances such as water, nitrogenous based amino acids, glucose, sodium ions, and calcium ions of the blood into the Bowman's capsule through the spaces in the membrane separating them. Other substances such as plasma proteins and red blood vessels are too large to pass through the membrane. So they remain in the blood during the second step of the urine production, called tubular reabsorption. The fluid passes the renal tubule, which consists of the proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Hamle, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting duct. As the fluid passes through the renal tubule, it reabsorbs through substances into the peritubular capillaries, especially glucose, amino acids, and some sodium and calcium ions are reabsorbed by the active transport. The peritubular capillaries reabsorb water through osmosis. The final step of urine production is tubular secretion, which occurs primarily in the distal convoluted tubules. These tubules extract larger nitrogenous based excess hydrogen ions and excess potassium ions and the peritubular capillaries and secrete them into the tubular fluid.